The talent show prize money interested the likes of Mr. Mbata. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 15th to the 28th of November 2021 on Monday. Hlelo promises to be the best mother to her child. Nkunzi announces the talent search competition. Kapsile wants Mamlambo to adopt a baby Smangaliso on Tuesday. Hlelo comes face to face with a blast from the past that scares him. An old face returns to Wamashu. Nyawo learns of the truth behind Nkunzi's competition on Wednesday. Hlelo's carelessness lead to a terrible encounter for Kapsile. Nonka receives some life-changing news. The talent show prize money interests the like of Mr. Mbata on Thursday. Nkunzi is shocked to see who wants to participate in his talent competition. Nkunzi continues to stir trouble. Nonka celebrated achievements on Friday. Nkunzi uses the chess to give Kapsile the idea of how to strategize her next move with Mthunzi. The walls are closing in on Madongo when Matabete has her trapped. Nkunzi's community talent show has some people so invested they end up messing up on what should be important. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone.